Hello and welcome back to another Poolside Chat presented by InyoPools.com. I'm Rob.
And I am Matthew. And today we have a question from our forum, our much vaunted forum.
Yes.
The question goes as such. I'm replacing the diverter in my Jandy three-way valve. Is there a specific way that it needs to be reinstalled? Robert?
Yes, there is a specific way it needs to be reinstalled, but I think we need to bring in our second camera to help us illustrate this. Okay, so you've got the diverter valve already taken apart. First thing you need to do is determine, where your pump line, assuming this is on the suction side, where your pump line is, where your skimmer line, main drain line is. So let's say this is your pump line. You'll want to place the diverter in there the opposite direction of where your pump is. Okay. So right now it's opposite the pump. But let's say your pump's this one. You go opposite, and that's where you'll place the diverter. All right. So the next thing you want to do is replace the cover. And on the cover, it says inlet on one of the sides. And you want to put the inlet over the port where it's going to the pump. And then at that point, you can reinstall your screws. Okay, so we got the screws back on. Next will be reinstalling the handle. If you'll notice, there's the word off on the handle. This will be going in the opposite direction, on the opposite side of the inlet. So we got the inlet down here. We'll put it in a way that the off is opposite. And then we'll put the little knob back on. And that's it. I think now we should take it back to our camera one. Okay, as you can see, we have the valve put back together, and you'll notice that the inlet is right here. So that was the pump, skimmer, main drain. So when you turn it, you'll notice that you can turn off either the skimmer or the main drain. It won't let you turn off the pump. You wouldn't want to, because then your pump's going to run dry and that'll burn it up.
Very true.
Very true.
And if this is a pressure, or if this valve is going to be on the pressure side, the inlet's always going to be coming from the filter, because you never want to close that off. Yeah. So that pretty much covers it. Very good, Rob.
Yeah, I think it's been the most in-depth video ever on a Jandy valve.
By the way, that snap thing doesn't work.
Not if you're not a very good snapper.
Okay, well, practice something. Yeah. Well, thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below, or visit our forum. Thank you for joining us. Bye.